how's it going? It's me, Jeremy IDI, bringing you a quick video. As you may be able to tell by the title, we're going to go over an intake today. It's sort of a custom intake. I'll explain it, I'll show you guys. And just going to do a quick update. Got the downpipe ordered for this. It'll be here today. And I got a new set of tires on it. They've been on for a while. I haven't showed them, but I think I talked about them in one of my older videos. I had a set of old General Grabber AT2s, so I ordered 2 more, put them on the front. They look really good, they perform really well, they got really good grip. You can kinda take it a little off-road. It does better now, especially in like slick conditions and stuff like that. It's not an off-roading truck by any means. It definitely needs to be 4-wheel drive swamped before I can do anything like that, but it does better. Pardon my rust, but here the tires are. General Grabber AT2s, 265 75 16s. You can see how much tread they got on them. They're a pretty beefy tire. They're an all-terrain, but they're pretty beefy. They have good grip, really good tread pattern. When they were on my 250 when I had it, they did really well off-road. So sorry for just like rambling about stuff, but this intake is for non-turbo guys. You know, obviously this is a naturally aspirated IDI, so I'm just going to kind of go over the whole setup and something that's actually cool about it. So this is a Spectra intake plenum. If I can find the exact part number, I'll list it in the description. But you get this, and these are just some like carb spacers that you can get from AutoZone, Advanced, anything like that. They're plastic. I mean, you could probably find something else, metal, or maybe find some metal carb spacers or something. You can see these where these are plastic. They've actually melted a little bit, but they're fine. Nothing's getting in the intake. I got 2 of the kits, and I took 2 of the thick rings and 1 of the slim ones, or the medium ones, and put those under it, and it gives it just enough, you know, rise for the intake to clear pretty much everything. Your regular bolt works just fine. It barely has enough thread to get in it, but it holds good. I mean, it's not going anywhere, I promise you that. It's a really nice plenum. Polishes up good. Like I said, it's dirty. Needs to be cleaned and polished, but you know, it polishes up good, has a good shine. You could probably paint it or whatever if you wanted to. Now onto this, and the really cool part, I need to replace my filter, but onto this. And the thing that's really cool is this is actually a 99 to 2003 Power Stroke intake kit. From Rudy's Diesel. It comes with everything you see here. It comes with the filter, all the clamps, the intake piping itself, and this adapter boot. Everything comes in the kit. I believe it was around $120, $130. Can't remember. If I can find a link to it, I'll list it in the description. Really good intake, and it actually works really good in this setup on the IDI. It has just enough room to clear pretty much everything. The rubber barely touches one of the fuel lines, which is not a big problem because it's such a minuscule amount that I haven't had any problems about it. I haven't had any problems with it. It's not going to rub into it. You know, it's not going to rub a hole or anything into it. I mean, it's just sitting there against this rubber grommet. So, I mean, let me see if I can get you a close shot of it. You know, it's touching a little bit, but it's not a lot. Obviously, you could add another spacer and it would rise it even more. Pretty cool intake setup for an IDI. I think the whole thing will cost you right around either somewhere between $150 and $200, because I think this is like $30 to $50, and these are like, I think I got them $3 a set at AutoZone. So it's a pretty cool intake. Definitely opens up the restrictive stock one and lets more airflow into it. A lot of people complain about the stock one because of the suit bowl on it. Does a really good job. It's really cool. It's just a pretty cool intake, an idea for anybody who might want to do something similar. But the last thing I'm just going to get out of the way is I've got my downpipe ordered, and I believe it's the Banks 52103 downpipe for the factory turbo. The factory kit will be going on for now. It'll be fine. It'll definitely help with EGTs and get a little boost in it, get a little power increase. So keeping the factory fuel pump, but it'll be going on fairly soon. Just wanted to bring you guys a quick update video and show you guys a pretty cool intake that you can get for your IDI. So yeah, that's all. See you guys in the next one.